Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-inject L-carnitine safely. Before you begin, it's vital to consult a healthcare professional to confirm the correct dosage and technique for your needs. Always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Gather all your sterile supplies, including the L-carnitine solution, a new syringe, a fresh needle, and alcohol swabs. Proper preparation is the first and most important step for a safe injection experience. Choosing the right injection site is crucial for both effectiveness and comfort. For intramuscular injections, popular spots are the upper arm, outer thigh, or the upper outer quadrant of the buttocks. It is important to rotate these sites regularly to avoid irritation and promote even absorption. If your goal is more localized, a subcutaneous injection into the fatty tissue around the abdomen might be an option, but always follow professional guidance. Once your site is chosen, clean it thoroughly with an alcohol swab and let it air dry for 10 to 15 seconds. Carefully draw the prescribed dose of L-carnitine into your sterile syringe. For an intramuscular injection, insert the needle at a 90-degree angle with a smooth, steady motion. If performing a subcutaneous injection, pinch the skin and insert the needle at a 45-degree angle. Inject the solution slowly and steadily, then withdraw the needle gently. After the injection, apply gentle pressure to the site with a sterile cotton ball or gauze. Avoid rubbing. Proper disposal of used needles and syringes in a designated sharps container is absolutely essential for safety. Keep an eye on the injection area for any unusual reactions like excessive redness or swelling. While L-carnitine injections are generally well tolerated, mild side effects, such as temporary soreness or stomach upset, can occur. Always consult your doctor if you have any concerns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.